Okay, it has been a very long time. Life has just been lifing, but we are back with another hair video. I know it's completely random, but our video sponsors today are Curlsqueen. They provided us with some amazing clip-ins, so we are going to see exactly how they look, and I'm excited. So I'm gonna do like a wash and go today. I just washed my hair, and I'll show you how it looks before. This is my hair. There's nothing in it. I kind of deep conditioned it, didn't brush it out. The curls look kind of crazy, but yeah, so that's my hair. Then let's open up our package. Open this. I haven't opened it yet, so bear with me. Okay, here we go. Very fancy. So it comes with like a little ribbon. I love that. So cute. So it comes with like a little ribbon. I love that. A brush. Oh, look at me. They give you a brush, some wig clips. They give you a satin bonnet, and then this is the hair. Curlsqueen. They kind of look like tape-ins, but it is the invisible clip-ins. So I've never had clip-ins like this before, so I'm really excited. I love the hair texture, like off rip, it's very soft. And we're gonna just compare this to how my actual hair looks. And yeah, I'm really excited. Okay, so I have some clips and a comb. So I'm gonna put the longest ones in the middle, the second longest ones here, 2 sets of 2 of the short ones like this, and then I have 2 sets of like medium ones. I'll put these around the crown. So let's try to like just separate the hair first of all, and then, or maybe should I put these 2 like in the back, like to start it off. I don't know, I'm gonna play around with it and then we'll kind of go from there. So I'm gonna show you how I'm like very just like loosely parting my hair. And I'll tell you right now, my parts are not gonna be straight. So, and these are supposed to be the best of the best, and they're supposed to match my hair properly. So I think that feels pretty secure. I'm just gonna keep doing this until we have all the clips in. And I don't know if you guys can see that texture so far. I think it looks cute. And it feels really tight like on my head, so far so good. We both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. All that's going on. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do. We've made it to the front of my hair. This is this is how the hair is looking so far. It feels very secure to my head. At this point, we have 4 tracks left. So I kind of prefer to wear my hair like to the side. Like I love a side part. So I'm gonna try to fill this hair in a way that would allow me to have a cute little side part. So let's do one here. And this hair is gonna be so, well, it's already so big, I can tell, but it's not tangling so far. Like I'm separating the hair like very carefully, and it's not tangling. And I think it's actually a bit curlier than my hair. My hair gives more so like a wave at this point in time. And I like the clips because you can like flip the side and there's no like, what's the word? There's no commitment. Like you don't have to be committed to anything. So I do love that. Okay. I think this is a little bit too close to the front of my head, so I'm gonna move this one back a bit. Like here and ow, here. There we go. So we have like a little bit of hair in the front. And then I have 2 tracks left. So let's do our part like here, and then we can do maybe one here. And I'm definitely going to be cutting this to allow it to frame my face. After we style it and everything, I'm going to give you guys a style montage. So I'm going to do one here. I'm going to put it a little bit back. And put one here. Okay, this is going to be my leave out. Okay, so this is how the hair looks. Take my rusty dusty spray bottle and we're going to get to work. I'm going to do a style montage so you guys don't have to sit here and watch me do this for the next 20 minutes or so. So here we go. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight? Jury in the safe on arrival, pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's like though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get you images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, baby, later, you can show me things. Okay, I am pausing the hair montage because this is the point that we're at now. I kind of wet and moisturized everything, and this is how it looks. I like that when I brush it, like the clip-ins are so flat, I can put them into a pony. Like, look how flat and seamless that ponytail looks. It is so flat. I love it. So now I'm at the point where I feel like I should cut it. Sorry, because you can kind of see that line of demarcation between my hair and the clip-ins, and I don't necessarily like that. So what I'm gonna do is try to kind of cut layers in it, but I'm like, should I even do that? Because what if I forget where I put the the clip-ins? I guess I could just use this video for reference, but what I want to do is put maybe like some 2-strand twists in it to kind of give it some definition, because what I've been doing is just putting some leave-in conditioner and I'm brushing it with these with this dual bristle brush. So it's a board bristle and I do not know what this is called, a vent brush, I guess, and a bristle brush. So one is for kind of detangling and one is for smoothing. So, and it's been working out. Like, it's not snagging the hair at all. It's just kind of making sure all the product gets all the way to the ends like this. And then I kind of give it like a little flip to make the hair curl like that. So pretty. So, I mean, I don't know. I think I am gonna end up cutting it, like giving myself like a little bang maybe, because I still have a lot of hair in the back. Like, this hair is really thick. So, oh my gosh. Let me see. Let me try to cut a small piece and then see how that works. Okay, we're gonna cut it just a smidge. Layers, so worst case, I do cut a little bit of my hair, it'll be fine. Okay. know if that made it any better than what it already is, but just a little bit to frame my face. So I'm like, should I put some curls in it? Some wand curls? Not wand curls, but like, should I finger curl it? I feel like I should. I mean, it's pretty like this, but I'm gonna play around with it. I don't even know what kind of hair this is. Okay. Actually, I do. It's 24 inches water kinky curly hair. I'm actually really happy that I decided to get this kind of hair because it matches my hair so well. Like, other than this little part right here, and it's only because of texture, because my hair acts so funny. But this is just what I do. I'll like go through, make sure the section is like wet, run this little brush through it like this, and then flip the ends to make it curl up like that. All right, so I went ahead and styled the whole thing. Like I told you guys, I took this brush right here from Botany Boost, and I just kind of flipped. I put a little bit of product. What I was using was the Mixed Chicks base coat, which is basically a daily refresher, a little bit of hair mousse, a little bit of Shea Moisture curl enhancing smoothie. This is a bottle, a spray mist bottle full of water and the curl enhancing smoothie, and I just kind of drenched my hair with it, and then each section I brushed it through and just kind of flipped it on the ends to give the hair a curly look. Curlsqueen, thank you so much for sponsoring this video and providing us with this beautiful hair. I have my hair for the week, and I'm so excited. This is 24 inches of water kinky curly hair, and I just kind of cut the front to frame my face. If you guys have any questions or any comments, leave me a comment down below. This is my first YouTube video in a very long time, so if it kind of looks a little bit crazy, that is why. I also have a coupon code with them that I'm going to share with you guys. I'm going to put it right on the screen, and I'm obsessed with this hair because it's so pretty, and clip-ins wear because the clips are undetectable and the curls match my hair texture perfectly. We'll catch you in the next video, guys. Bye. And I'll take some time just to get back before